back to my channel. So today I am so excited to share with you my 23andMe DNA results. I took this test a while back. It's probably been around a year, and now I want to share the results with you all. I wasn't too shocked about the results. I was really excited to, know my background, know where I came from. I am black and white, and just so you all know, my mom is white and my dad is black. So both of these sides, they'll get to know because they're going to watch this video. So I'm super excited for them to see this as well. But I wanted to get into more of the traces of ancestry and where I actually am originally from as far as DNA is concerned. So I'm super excited to share with you all today. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. So I'm going to show you a clip from about a year ago, and this is when I was actually going through the process, sending off my DNA to 23andMe. It was very simple. You just had to spit in a tube, shake it up a little bit, and send it off. It was $79.99 at that time, and there was a discount, so I'm not sure the actual price right now. I can list it down below, but it's something that I've always wanted to do. So let's get into this clip, and then I will be right back. So I'm gonna open it. Ooh, that's a lot of spit. Oh, biohazard bag. I'm all fancy. Everything is like, okay. My mouth is dry. Get a little bit more because I don't want to complain it. We didn't get enough spit. I'm not about to buy this over again. This was $80 plus shipping. The liquid in the lid will be released into the tube to mix with the saliva. Oh. Toss that. And move back. So everything's all packaged up, ready to go. Catch me on the next video where I reveal the results. Okay, we are back, guys. So that was me about a year ago, as I mentioned, and my hair was very blonde then. Right now it's natural color. This is like a dirty blonde. I actually have my notes here, and I'm going to show you all of the results, and I'll post it on the screen right here so you can see everything as I'm describing. Okay, so I am 65.5% European and 32.3% Sub-Saharan African. And I will break down the categories, and I'll also insert right here. All right, so within the 65.5% European category, the subcategories are French and German. I am 25.2% French and German. I am 21.8% British and Irish. Broadly Northwestern European is 8.8%, Eastern European is 3.6%, Southern European is 3.2%. Within the Southern European subsection is Greek and Balkan. So I was surprised about that. I wasn't sure where the Greek and Balkan came from, but I know that my mother's grandmother was from Yugoslavia, so I do know that portion. For the Sub-Saharan African portion, 32.3%, I am 25% West African, 11.7% Nigerian, and the subsections for that are Ghana, Liberia, and Sierra Leone, and I'm 6.2% in that category. And then we have Senegal and Guinean. I am 3.8%, broadly Western African, 3.8%, Congolese and Southern East African, I am 4.2%. Angolan and Congolese, that's the subcategory, I am 3.2%. Broadly Congolese and Southern East African, I am 1%. And then broadly Sub-Saharan African, I am 2.6%. And I also have another section, broadly Western Asian and North African is 0.4%, so less than 1%. Broadly Chinese and Southeast Asia, 0.3%. Filipino and Austronesian, 0.2%, and Native American, 0.2%. There is a section that says 1% not traceable, so I'm not sure what that is, but I'm really excited to learn this information so I can pass it down to my future children, and just so that they know, they know where our ancestors came from, and to teach them that diversity is power. And wherever we come from, where we are, we're all beautiful and we are all meant to thrive. And so that's what I want to teach my future children. And I'm so glad I received this information in my late 20s, and I didn't wait until I was 50 years old. I actually told my parents that I purchased the 23andMe DNA kit, and they were so excited. They wanted to know as well what their DNA consisted of. I highly recommend it. I can put the link down below where to purchase the kit from. They usually have sales, like Black Friday sales. They usually have discounts on the kits. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.